What is up, guys? Isaac here, back for another video, and this is going to be a video fix for flickering LED RGB light strips. So as you can see right here, I have these LED RGB light strips behind my desk. It's for a cool, it's a really cool effect. I like them, but as you can see, they're flickering, and for a while I couldn't figure out at all why they were flickering. There was no way. So why they are flickering is, you see how it's connected here? It's connected to the wall 100% properly. Let me just turn on some light there. So it's connected 100% properly. That's the cable for it running into that wall outlet. And now if I unplug this cable here, let me just unplug. This is the voiceover, so it might be, audio might be out of time. See, that's the cable there, and the light's flickering. Now, when I unplug this cable, in 3, give us a sec. So I'm unplugging it now, and there, as you can see, it's unplugged, and I've pulled it out, and the RGBs have stopped working, so that is the cable there. And now I'm going to get a different wall brick, plug it in, and then get the cable and plug that into the wall brick right here. And as you can see, the RGBs will go back on and they are not flickering anymore. Now, see, they're all connected up here and all going around my desk, behind my monitor, behind my Xbox, all that stuff. And now for the reason why they are flickering. So as you can see, that's the old thing I was plugging it into. That doesn't have enough power to supply for all the RGBs, so it was flickering because of not enough power. This might happen when you plug something, a wall out with not enough power, or into a USB port on your computer. So I just changed it with something that can output more power so that the RGBs can all light up with the correct power and not have to flicker because of not enough power being able to go to all of them. So if you're having this problem, just get something that has a stronger wattage, a bigger wall brick or something, plug that in, and you should be good to go with your RGB light strip, and that should be all working. So yeah, as I said, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much.